What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and if you want to enhance the aesthetics of your bike by doing something as simple as a windscreen, then check out this windscreen from Zero Gravity. I got the double bubble, so let's see how it installs. Alright, so the windscreen has 6 screws that you need to remove, and I've already began to take some of the hardware out already, and they are Torx heads. Alright, and in order to take the windscreen all the way out, you'll also need to remove the mirrors by removing the 2 bolts on each mirror. All right, the next thing you want to do once you get everything off is just go ahead and start wiggling the windscreen out, and be sure to hang on to these grommets here because you're going to need them to put them into the new windscreen. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is take these 4 grommets that you pulled out of the factory windscreen and go ahead and put them into the new windscreen. All right, so the other 2 grommets are going to be already in place where the mirror connects, so you don't have to worry about losing those at all. All right, and then once you get those grommets in, go ahead and reinstall. Just be careful putting it in right here because these grommets will come back out if you're not careful. Alright, here it is installed, guys. Looks really good, adds a nice touch to the bike. In addition to looks, as far as performance goes, it should redirect some of that air a little bit better over my helmet. If you guys are looking for a nice windscreen for your bike, definitely check out Zero Gravity, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.